Well, today is a lucky day. And how did I know that today was going to be a lucky day? Well, wait a minute and I'll show you. Hi everyone, welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy. So let's go pull some orders. I sold 4 items for a little over $100. And that's pretty good because if you think about it, $100 day times 31 days in a month, that's $3,000. Now I know if you got to take out eBay, PayPal fees and other fees, you know, it's less, but still that's pretty good sales. And if you're just a part-time eBayer or just doing it for the side, that'd be good money. And if you're a full-time eBayer, that can be good money. $100 a day is not anything to complain about, and I'm happy. All right, let's go pull those orders. And the first 2 orders I got to pull, I kind of feel that they might be a viewer sale, but they didn't say, so I don't know. But I'm going to tell you why. So right back in here, I sold 2 of these fingerlings. All right. Let's get them over to the table. And I'll tell you why I think that they might be viewer sales. A couple of videos I talked about these fingerlings by Untamed. It's T-Rex or Bonehead is the name of it. And it's a little character that goes on your finger, and it's a little animated thing. And it goes on there and it makes noise, and I don't know, it's for kids. But anyway, I picked them up before Christmas. I sold a couple of them, but they didn't sell too good, and they've been sitting. And I only sold, like I said, a couple of them, and I bought a bunch of them. Well, since I mentioned on that video, I've sold 3. Now, it could be just a coincidence, or it could be their viewer sales, and they just didn't say they're viewers. So I sold 2 of them last night. They're a really bad buy, but at least I'm getting my money back. As you can see, they were a retail arbitrage item. I've talked about it before. Original price was $14.84, marked down to $9, marked down to $4, and that's what I bought them at, was $4. They were, at the time when I was getting them, I looked them up and they were selling for $15, $18. I sold a couple of them before Christmas, as I said, and then it just dropped. And so I decided I was just going to get rid of them. So I'm selling them, and they're going out the door at $4.95 plus shipping. And like I said, I don't know if these were buyer sales or not. The people that bought them, one person's named Jason. So Jason, if you're a viewer, thanks for the sale. I really appreciate it. And the other one's going out to Diamond. So Diamond, if you're a viewer, again, I appreciate the purchase. So thank you very much. All right, if you see the little puppy dog back here, well, with everything going on in the world and everybody being stuck at home, my wife, Kim, has been drawing. She's been learning to draw. Well, our in-laws who are at an assisted living, and they can't leave or go anywhere, and can't go see them because of they don't have any visitors. She decided to draw them their little puppy. Their puppy is a poodle, and her name is Precious. And that's Precious. You think she did a good job? I think she did an excellent job. She's been drawing some different characters of animals, and I think she did a really, really great job. So I'm going to take this, and since we can't go see them, we're going to take it and I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to put it in the mail. And I thought what I would do is I thought I would show you how to use your PayPal to mail items. If you don't know, you can actually use PayPal to mail items that aren't eBay sales or any other sales. You can just use PayPal and mail things out. It's called a non-mailing by PayPal. And I thought I'd show you that at the end of the video. All right, so this next item that's going out is going to be in this bucket here. It sticks out, it's real long, it's right there. I sold this item. I got it at a thrift shop probably about a month and a half ago. And what this is a Wagner power rod. It's 24 inches in length. Let me go set it down over here. All right. And this item, I've had, like I said, I had it for about a month and a half, and it finally sold. I got a full asking price of $38, and I'm sending out free shipping. And I only paid, I think maybe, I don't remember exactly what I paid, but I think I only paid a couple dollars for it. All right, so the next item's back in here, and it's right here in front. I move this box around. If you've been wondering what it is, because if you watch my videos, you probably see me move this box around several times. But now I'll tell you what this box is. So what's inside this box is a pair of Frosty mugs, or Frosty root beer mugs. I don't know the exact date they were made. I tried to look them up and find them. I couldn't find them. Maybe somebody out there might know. But these are a rare type of Frosty mugs. Most of them that were made were clear glass. These are actually frosted. So they were a really good buy. I found them at a consignment shop. I was so happy that I found them at a consignment shop. I paid, I think I paid less than $5 for both of them. I want to say I bought both of them for like $2, $3, $4. So these Frosty mugs are going out the door. The buyer paid full price of $40 plus shipping. And these are the 4 items going out. Power Wagner, the Frosty glasses, and the 2 untamed Doom Bonehead T-Rex dinosaurs. And yes, I'm going to take the stickers off before I send them out. So 4 items for over $100. $110.88 to be exact. So at the beginning of the video, I said today was going to be a lucky day. Well, the sales make it a lucky day, but that's not what made it a lucky day. Let me show you what made it a lucky day. So when I was outside earlier, I found not but 1, but 2 4-leaf clovers. How rare is that? I was pretty happy I found 2 4-leaf clovers. I went and showed Kim, and those are our Roy and Kim 4-leaf clovers. Those are our good luck charms. I've got them drying out right now, and we're just going to keep them as our good luck charms. Although I'm not superstitious. I've got the packages all wrapped up. They're ready to go to the post office. Now at the beginning of the video, I did tell you that I would show you how to do mail out a package that's not through eBay. In other words, this is the picture I showed you earlier that my wife drew. And I've got it wrapped up real good, double bubble wrapped and everything. And it's in this little package, so that way it's still lightweight and I can mail it out under priority. But I'm going to show you how to mail this through PayPal, even though it's not an eBay sale. 2 things you're going to need. You're going to need the weight. So here's my scale. Let's go ahead and put it on the package. It's 11.1. That's kind of moving around. 11.1, 11.2. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to do it at 12 ounces. Still first class, and it's not going to change the weight any. So now that we got our weight, the second thing is you're going to need to have this link. So I'm putting a link on the screen for you to copy it. Be sure you copy it, write it down, take a picture of it, whatever you need to do. This link is very important. This link will take you straight into your PayPal, but it's a, I don't know if you want to call it a secret link, because you can't really find it on PayPal super easy. But this link right here will take you into your PayPal. Now you may have to sign into your PayPal once you click on this link, but once you're in there, it's all self-explanatory. It's going to take you to a screen that looks kind of like this. And all you do is start filling out the information. Once you got the information filled out, you just print your label, slap it on your envelope, and you're ready to go. Well, I'm not going to show you the whole process of how it does, but it's that simple. All right, so that's all I've got. I'm going to mail these out. I'm going to take them to the post office. So everyone out there, be safe. If you're a reseller, when you get a chance, find it, sell it, profit. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.